Hi guys, welcome to PLG Group Media. My name is Isaac, Head of IT, PLG Group Limited. On today's episode, I'm here to teach you how to run an OS on 12 and 13 gen machine, because most of the times people find it difficult to find a drive to run the OS on it. Let's get into it. Okay, so as I told you guys, this is Lenovo IdeaPad 13 gen Intel Core i5. So as you know, the normal procedure to run the Windows, this is it. Choose your language, install, then you come to choose the OS that you want to install on it. I prefer the Windows 11 Pro, so that's the Pro. Then you go, you come here. So this is the hardest part. You see that the drive is not showing for you to run the OS on it. So there is this file called RST, Rapid Storage Technology. That's the file that you will use to scan the drive, so that you will be able to find the drive to run the OS on it. So all you have to do is to download that RST file, put it on the Windows drive. So me, I've already downloaded it. It's on my drive right now. So all you have to do is to come to the load drive, then you go to browse. So I'll open my OS and come down here. So as you can see, that's the RST file over there. You open it, then you come to the F6, then you press enter. So it will pop up to give you this screen, pop up on the screen. Then you press enter again. So there you go, it's scanning for the drive. Yeah, so that's your drive. You delete all the necessary, the unwanted partition on it. So after deleting, that's your drive, 1 TB. Then you press enter. Voila, that's the Windows for you. So that is all for now. Hello guys, I just showed you how to run an OS on 13 gen machine. We are PLG Group Limited. We deal in computers and accessories. Anything concerning IT, you can locate us at Circle near City Light, or you can call us on 0242 082373. If you find this video useful, record yourself installing OS on 13 gen machine and stand a chance of winning PLG Group rechargeable wireless mouse. Thank you.